Hi, welcome back to the following CloudFrontDesk tutorial. We will explain about one of the modules in CloudFrontDesk, namely Density Room. The density of this room is on the FrontDesk menu, so it's included in the menu on Booking and Guest in House. This is related to each other. The Density Room chart is a table where you can see the density level of the room you already have, whether it's still in an empty place or not. The Density Room chart module is in the FrontDesk menu. Then select the Density Room chart, then it will appear like the following display. This is very useful if you have occupancy a high above 50%, so maybe it will be very good. There is a Density Room chart you always see, and also if you have a good reservation at your hotel so you can arrange it before the guest arrives. Don't let there be double bookings in the same room, but there are two. The reservation entered. Hi, okay. After entering the Density Room, it looks like is as follows. You can choose. Here you click here in the month, you select the month you want to refresh, for example this month of May, which is now. Then select the year. I called refresh this. It will pick. Hi, the list of the month in question will appear here now. This is register and flush paint. In May here there is a type room on the left, then next to it there is a room number, so if you can read here it is room 107 and Lux. On May 3rd there is cash sustenance in the name of Hens Ray like this, so this is all they're automatically filled when someone chooses to fill. In the booking list, he is channel single reservation or OK and so on, and is registered to this sinus. When there is data here, there is automatically a link to the list and the CD room chat, so you can immediately see if the guest is there because and how long are you waiting for the list. Hi, the density of this room has several legends, so there are several colors here. This one is the reservation color ounces, so this is Bruno Mike in yellow. This is reservation, the true nomic reservation. Starts on the 5th to the 8th in deluxe room 136. This has a reservation, then it will be like this. Then this Gustiners is like this. Brian Cool, Venero here to sinus. Then they use something or not until last night, so it was only for a while. Then the color was a light blue one. If Jacindo is there until late that night, the person is blue. Then the Bermuda one they use. Hi, then the guest who has checked out is green. Has checked out now. The position is on the 3rd, so this is later on the 3rd of that night. There were two of these staying like that. Hi, this one has checked out. Then the pink one is out of order. So room 301 is superior. The position is currently out of order, so it's marked pink, while red is dark red. There is a double booking, so if this means there is a double, there is a check-up. And Brian is like that now. These are legendary of each color, which is in and hydro paint. If your cursor position is in IM, the position of this box will provide information about the room and its position. How is it like this? Now the reservation for room 103 is on May 5th. If this one versus Persitara room 103, the date is busy this time. It's Deus who already checked out, because if there is a Dewey already there who hasn't, Jackcloth has been listed here. We are 2 Jackcloth 9. This guest room is still hosting sustenance. This time, double booking can be clicked later. Currently a reservation. Hi, this is a guest room, but already checkout is fast. This is a room of order like that. So you can highlight it, then a link sign like this appears. Brain has rose funds. This means the data is still active. You can click here. He will automatically enter the data from Brian Storm when I come back here. So everything that appears is a link. It means the data is still active. It hasn't checked out and or it's still reservation data. It's not cancelled and doesn't line up, so it can be clicked if it's flat. Try the symptom. Tis he entered the Donamex reservation data like that, so everything that has a link you can automatically click and enter the detailed data. Nahai Hen Xin already checked out. Zainal has already checked out. Then the red one is double booking. Right here there's gas in house until 606. Jacob also has a reservation in the same room. So if we see, for example, click here, there's a double, this is wrong, this means that Jacob has a reservation on May 6th, 34108. Brain Cool hasn't checked out, so the data is still there, so the solution maybe this has to be a cute one, so move or what ends up here and then move to another room, so transferred so this must be fair, early check out, arrived here then checked in again in another room, which was both like that, or the clause that was moved so it doesn't collide with Brian's, whereas if for example I hate you it's almost 100%, then you have to really play about moving rooms. So what should you do? The name can determine not to add that double booking occurs, because like this a reservation in going to sinus or they use. The next one in the room there is gas, again from Dewey twice, or Deus and Desenhos, or checkout and Deus, for example, as well as colliding with the outdoor, a booking cable will also appear, so it's important for you to always look at the CD room chat if you have a high enough occupancy, because you can monitor the movement of your room occupancy in the form of a cord like that. So the explanation about and Purim, just say I hope it's useful, thank you.